The purpose of this video is to show how a modern iron kiss hammer in single blow mode can function as a treadle hammer. I've got a piece of unheated steel here. I'm going to sketch a simple diamond on it. No big deal, a crude sketch. I'm going to peck each apex with a center punch, and then I'm going to use a chisel to connect the pairs of punch marks. So here's a standard center punch about 4 inches long. This is clamped. It clamps so long as I hold the treadle down. When I let the treadle up, the hammerhead goes up. Now a chisel, simple chisel cut to the same length as the punch. And so there is the diamond that's been incised in relatively short order. Very little time taken to do that. I want to demonstrate something additionally. Here is a rather long, traditional handled blacksmithing punch, and it's tempting to use these tools as you find them under a power hammer. It's dangerous, to be sure. You can hold it vertical, and a hammer like this, plenty of force with hot metal, you can punch a hole very quickly. But it's all too easy to be off vertical and to not get under your top die, and it can sling out. Here is a punch that was made a long, long time ago in a power hammer class, and it isn't truly vertical in any plane, so that when you hit on it, it kicks out. The moral of the story is your tools should be straight and true so that they won't kick out on you unexpectedly. Here is a traditional cold chisel with a short handle for blacksmithing. Not bad. Not bad at all as these things go, but it's not necessarily square and true. I've used it a good bit, but it bounces. And I much prefer using a repurposed cold chisel held in tongs. I much prefer that. I like this length. It could be a little bit shorter perhaps, but with this long length, you get a better gauge of vertical, and you aren't in the stratosphere in terms of height, but you're right down at the metal, but you're getting your eye focused on what's vertical and what's not vertical. So there you have it. It is possible to use multiple blow behavior for chiseling. I'll demonstrate that. But your chisel will tend to bounce with cold metal, and it might bounce with hot metal. I'll go on the interior of this diamond to demonstrate. All over the place. Now it is possible to do a quick single blow, but I don't like power hammers doing quick single blows and expecting good results. I much prefer single blow treadle hammer like behavior. I might add, it's kind of like a steam hammer as well.